Woxsen University provides its students with a wide range of extracurricular and academic opportunities. Academic opportunities ranging from international conferences to workshops and even hackathons. At our 24-hour facility, the library, you can find books pertaining to all schools at Woxsen and all of their curriculums. You're free to read them all, even the fixtures books that pertain to your liking specifically. We provide a sports complex, the League, which has outdoor games such as basketball, football, and even a cricket pitch. And our indoor games are in the newly built building, the Sportex, which has games such as pool, snooker, foosball, badminton, and so much more. We also have 2 indoor gyms and an outdoor gym. So here at Woxsen, you're free to do everything that you like.
Living away from family, the initial thing one longs for is home-cooked meals. And Woxsen prioritizes the importance of catering to diverse cultural preferences. The dining facility at Woxsen is called the Oval, where all the 3 meals are served in a buffet-style format, ensuring well-bounded and balanced diet. Additionally, we've got 2 cafeterias and a restaurant, where each of which has unique culinary experience, ensuring you celebrate each of your special moments there.
Nested approximately 60 kilometers away from the city of Hyderabad, Woxsen University stands tall as a beacon of academic excellence. Spread over 200 acres of campus, Woxsen University boasts world-class infrastructure, making sure the environment is there for creativity and innovation. Woxsen University comprises of 7 schools, namely the School of Business, School of Technology, School of Law, School of Sciences, School of Arts and Design, School of Architecture and Planning, and School of Liberal Arts, offering a variety of courses ranging from undergraduate, postgraduate, and PhD degrees.
The quality of accommodation at Woxsen has been consistently maintained. On one side of the campus, there are huge spacious towers for male students, and on the other side, there are multiple blocks which accommodates female students. There are options such as single, double, and triple sharing rooms with many more amenities that you could consider. And additionally, the housekeeping happens every other day, ensuring that our stay at Woxsen is enjoyable and comfortable.